Hi guys, it's Life with Lucille, and today we're unpacking some makeup from a sleepover, so yeah. If I sound quiet, my little sister's sleeping in the room right there, so I need to be really quiet. First, the e.l.f. sunscreen with a little Hello Kitty bag, because Hello Kitty is so cute. Next is the Say glitter something. I don't know what it's called, okay? This Lady Gaga Haus Labs blush. This is such a good blush. I recommend it. It's so good. Next is the Bubble Balancing Mist. This is not in order, by the way. It's just random stuff. If it's crazy seeing my face, that's because I'm finally doing a video of my face, so yeah. This deodorant. It was upside down, oh my gosh. Sol de Janeiro Mini 40 spray. This is my favorite perfume. It's so good. Time for the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Guys, it's floating. Touchline hand sanitizer. My camera's wet now. Two of my little clipperoos. The rest are over there, so yeah. Eyelash color. This Bounce mascara. The Bubble Mini Water Cream moisturizer, and it's the Super Cuties mini one. A brush. A Tarte lip vinyl. I knew my room felt empty because this was literally on a shelf, literally over there. Also, my room isn't that big. It's like a wall just right there. So, hydrating cream cleanser. By the way, it was Bubble, just if you needed to know. Lip liner by, I can't read it, but you can find this. Bubble eye cream. Some glitter by Betsy Johnson's little XOX kit. And a mini beauty blender. So, yeah. See you in the next one.